Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting only what you need and choosing one specific assignment to tackle right now. This reduces friction and decision fatigue. Once done, set a 25-minute timer so you commit to focused work instead of vague intentions. Make sure a small reward sits nearby to reinforce progress. 5-minute break, snack, or a quick game. You'll feel momentum quickly. This first step shifts homework from chore to manageable challenge and primes your brain for the next effort. You now enter the execution phase using 25-minute blocks with specific mini-goals like finish one problem set or outline one paragraph. During these blocks, alternate active methods. Explain concepts out loud, sketch diagrams, or pretend to teach someone. This deepens understanding faster than silent reading. Once a block ends, check progress visibly so you see wins. You're reinforcing habit and confidence. Make sure to adjust mini-goals if they are too easy or too hard, so momentum continues smoothly into the final steps. You finish by spending 10 minutes reviewing and polishing answers to cement accuracy and reduce later corrections. Once done, record one lesson learned and schedule the next 25-minute task so momentum carries forward. This turns effort into a repeatable system. If you get stuck, break the problem into 3 smaller parts and attempt each briefly, then ask for help if needed. This troubleshooting trick keeps frustration low and learning continuous, helping homework stay efficient and even a bit enjoyable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.